My name is Ann Doherty. I am chair of the engineering department at Benilde-St. Margaret's. We are a collaboratively taught engineering program. There are 3 teachers, a mechanical engineer, a software engineer, and myself, whose background is in primarily entrepreneurship. We offer 4 years of curricular engineering, which is different than anything else that's available in the Twin Cities, and it's very project-based and very personal. No 2 students who graduate from our engineering program will have the same experience because it's really custom to what students are interested in, what prior knowledge that they're bringing to the program, and so it really creates a unique experience for kids. Our 4 years of curricular engineering starts with Engineering 1, and that's really about learning how to work through iteration and get comfortable with failure. So the skills that our Engineering 1 students are building are really long-term learning skills. They're getting comfortable with communication, with teamwork, and really comfortable taking creative risks and building creative confidence. Once they get to Engineering 2, then they learn some real technical skills. So they can earn a SolidWorks certification, which is designing in 3D. That's a professional certification that they can do. We have students then that also dive into programming. We teach primarily Python, but there are lots of other programming languages depending on what the students are interested in. By year 3, now students have some creative confidence, they've learned some technical skills, and so in year 3, they work together to build something that they couldn't build by themselves. So the programmers will work with the designers to build something that is more sophisticated than any one student could do on their own. So they also really get to focus on their collaborative skills. And new to our engineering program is Engineering 4, and those are our students who really project manage and run these complex projects, which is so exciting. We also have a competitive robotics team that travels internationally. We compete, it's called the RoboCup competition. We're the only high school in the world that does it. This summer we'll be traveling to France, hopefully. The robots that we design are intended for human rescue. So in light of a natural disaster, our robots are designed to go in, to relay messages, to make maps, to be able to open doors, and fundamentally to be able to remove people from a disastrous situation. One of the things that I love about this program, really kind of above all things, is that there is a place for everybody. Whether you identify yourself as somebody who's really a math person or a science person or a writer or an artist, there is a place for you here, an essential place for you here, because inventiveness needs all kinds of thinkers and all kinds of minds. And we find a lot of times that kids who struggle in other traditional classrooms do really well here because it's very student-centric, it's very customized, and it's very hands-on. And so that really highlights a different kind of learner, but there is an opportunity for every student here in the engineering lab.